WEILBURGER project news. We have once again realized a new project on the topic of sustainable food packaging, which we would like to present to you in more detail with this video. This project was built around our Senolith water-based barrier coating FP plus 350023 and 2 Senoflex water-based inks for direct food contact. First of all, let us point out the general problem this project is based on and for which we were searching for an environmentally friendly solution. As you all know, frozen food in supermarkets and discounters such as vegetables in all variants, like beans, peas, carrots, broccoli, cauliflower and many more. Or fish and fish-based products, fish fingers, or fish patties for example. And a wide variety of seafood such as shrimps, prawns, crabs, lobsters, seaweed, etc. And that is by far not the end of the line. Even fruits such as blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, blueberries or whole mixes of fruits are packed in cardboard-based folding boxes. But independently of frozen food packaging, other foods are also packed in folding boxes today. One example here is to-go packaging, as known from the pastry and confectionery shops. Every time donuts or muffins are sold, buyers receive a primary packaging for the safe transport of their food. These primary packagings come in a wide variety of designs and shapes, and are under strict legal and regulatory constraints. Therefore, almost all of these foods have one thing in common: they are usually packed in folding boxes that are coated with polyethylene on the inside. Polyethylene is used here as a barrier on the inside of these folding cartons to protect the product from migration and the carton from greasing and soaking. We certainly do not need to point out that this polyethylene in these boxes is not easy to recycle and also harmful to the environment. Millions of these boxes worldwide are placed on the market every day with this harmful polyethylene layer. We needed a solution for this. Together with our friends from SDI Group, we started to take care of this problem. And we were successful. We have developed an amazing solution and realized it right away as part of a sample project for to-go packaging. The focus of this project was on to-go packaging for muffins and donuts, but the technology developed here can also be used for frozen packaging at any time. Instead of polyethylene, we now use our Senolith water-based barrier coating FP plus 350023 as an internal barrier together with our new special colors from our water-based Senoflex ink series suitable for direct food contact. In the picture on the left-hand side, you can see the inside view of our two different designs of the new folding boxes. Here of course the barrier coating has already been applied. And of course all the inks and coatings used in this project are certified for direct food contact. The print job was produced by SDI on their brand new KBA, Rapida 106x7 Plus L at the Graven production plant in 3B format with a total of 4 different designs. 2 of them were for us and 2 for SDI. The final packaging from this production has already been successfully tested for recyclability in the packaging paper cycle at the Technical University of Darmstadt according to PTSR H021/97 Cat 1. This means that we have found a great alternative for better recyclability and sustainability for most frozen and to-go packaging, which is a giant step forward in terms of sustainability. If this solution becomes established on the market, pulp mills will have to deal with less polyethylene in near future. Best of all, brand owners are now able to print on the inside of food packaging to further increase their brand awareness. This was previously not possible because the polyethylene coating is already applied before the printing process. This means that brands are currently giving away important advertising space due to the polyethylene barrier. As you might notice, this has turned out to be another fantastic project. The 4 different sample boxes can of course be requested free of charge from us, or the SDI Group. Our technical support team will be happy to present these to you in person. And also for this project we went the extra mile again and added a few extra gadgets. On the back of each of our 2 folding boxes you will find a QR code. Simply scan them with your smartphone's camera and click on the link that should appear. When using this function, You will then be redirected to our landing pages created especially for this project. For each of the boxes we have created a version specifically tailored to the packaging in German and English. On these pages you will find a lot more information about this project, such as our press release, our tutorials and much more, like our already known coding calculator. With its help, you can then, for example, determine the required quantities of coatings and flexo inks for your own print productions. Please contact your personal advisor from our technical sales and support team, our headquarters or one of our distribution partners for additional information and sample boxes. Further information can also be found on our website at www.weilburger.com. And as always, please don't miss to like and follow us on our social media channels. Thanks for watching.